some training in Myanmar virtually.
Yeah. Thank you, Nuan, for the kind introduction. So it's a pleasure to be here to talking to all Myanmaris, and it's one of the blessed countries. I really like to come to your country. I've never visited your country. I was talking to Nuan. I said one of my dream countries coming to Myanmar and to spend a lot of time in Myanmar. And also the entire globe is talking about Aung San Suu Kyi's leadership, and we are very proud of being Asian. And also I'm very humbled and very much privileged to talking to you all at this stage at least. Can we start or how?
Yeah, we can start. Yeah.
We can start.
Yeah.
So I don't want me to talk alone. I want everyone to be part and parcel of this conversation. So then only we all can learn and get the benefit of the benefit. Yeah. So I'm going to share the screen now. So leadership in hospitality. This is something that we all should right. Hello, can hear all of you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So leadership in hospitality, this is something that we all should concentrate on. And right. So today's discussion will fall on five different lines. I'll get the slides on screen. Give me a little time. Right. This is me. My name is Kasun Abenayaka, as Nuan said, working for
Kasun, I think we cannot see the screen.
You cannot, yeah?
Yeah. No, until now we cannot see.
How about now?
Yes.
Can see, no? This is me, Kasun Abenayaka from William English Institute at SLIT. I'm the Managing Industry Engagements at Malambe campus. I need to talk about a bit of our campus also. It's a Australian affiliated campus in Sri Lanka. Over years of time, we have produced nearly about 1,000 graduates in Sri Lanka. We started in 2020. So last 7 years, we have produced almost 1,000. Can see, no? Nuan, can you see the screen?
Can see.
Yeah. This is the picture of the campus where I'm working at. It's a joint venture between Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology and William English Institute in Melbourne. Melbourne campus has 8 years of experience, and also it has a nice history of in all over the world. producing 2,000 clientele and also 1,800 international students from every year from different countries. So interestingly, we in our campus, one classroom is named as Myanmar. We have classrooms in different countries. We have Singapore, Colombo, Vietnam, Bahrain. Also, one classroom is named as Myanmar. So everyone is very excited about your country, right? So that's all about the country, the campus where what I'm working at, the country where I'm live myself, Nuan and Dilum. We call it Sri Lanka. It's the pearl of Indian Ocean. That's how it's been graded in the world community, and we are blessed to have Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is more or less like your country. It's a Buddhist country like yours, right? We share a lot of spiritual activities there. Am I correct, Nuan?
Yes.
Yes.
Very similar. Yeah.
Very similar, right? Even the climate and the food pattern and the things to offer, everything is more similar to your country. Right, so let's move on to the topic. The topic we have here is the hospitality. Right, can you see the screen? Hello? 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 Nuan? Hello, Nuan, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Your mic is mute.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can. Sorry,
Yeah.
there's a little interruption. Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So today's discussion, I'm going to focus on the leadership. Leadership is not a skill; it's an art. It differs to person. How you really manage, how you really lead people is different, person to person. That's why I started with the example of Madam Aung San Suu Kyi. Her leadership is excellent to everyone. So even entire globe is talking about her leadership because that's something that she has showed into the world that your country is not all alone. So you all are the world for everyone. So it's an art. It has different colors. It has different feathers. It has different landscape. So you can call it in different avenues, right? You are here with me, so you can talk to me. If you don't know and if you don't understand anything, please do talk to me. Today's discussion, we are going to have 5 areas: the mindset of leadership, managing yourself, managing individuals, managing teams, and managing business. I'm sure since all of you day-to-day business is to provide your leadership in different roles, right? So maybe you're in front office, maybe you're in housekeeping, maybe you're in finance, human resource, food and beverage, kitchen, or any department. This your leadership, your personality as a leader, what matters, because that's how you reflect yourself to your colleagues. Yeah, the first thing is first point, this discussion, we are taking you to the mindset of the leadership, so first, you have to think you are a leader. You are not just a co-worker. Now you have gone through the hardship of it and you have done all your dirty work. You have come to a level that you provide a leadership to someone else, right? Where you are getting things done from others, right? Right. To develop mindset of people, of a leadership, right? You need to develop the mindset of leadership. So first thing what you have to know is that you need to understand the difference between the leadership and the management. Leadership and the management, you might see it is like a, it is going hand in hand, but you might see it's like a one thing, or it is not, it is actually not, it is in two different angles, right? It is in two different angles, management versus leadership. So any do you agree with me? Is it the same thing or two different things? You all can talk to.
It's not the same.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
It's different.
It's different. So if it's different, so you can let me know why it is different.
Management is how to manage the team. The
How to
leadership
manage?
is,
Yeah.
how to manage the team.
Okay.
And leadership is to lead them.
To lead them, right? So good. I like your answer. I really like your answer. It says management is managing a team, and leadership is you provide a lead. Very good. So any other views that you're trying to give us? Any other views? Any other views that you want to give? Any other views? I like to hear voice from ladies also. It's okay. You tell your comments. That's okay. You can make mistakes.
Management is the managing the people, and leadership is leading the people to achieve to develop the people.
Develop the people. So you mean to say in leadership you are trying to develop people. Am I correct?
Right.
Okay, good. I like that answer. I like that answer. So any other comments? Any other comments? Any other comments?
Yeah. Management is to get the job done through the effort of others.
Okay. Then the leadership?
So, leadership, we have to lead them, and we have to spend all our experience to develop their life as well.
So okay, so going in the same line, you are again trying to say you develop them, then it'll help you to get your things done. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Any other answers?
No, sir.
No. Right. I like all your answers because those are very fascinating answers to me, and in fact that gives me a good boost to start. Actually, management is responding for complexity. Management is responding for complexity. So as managers, every day what our job is to handle situations. We counterpart, and it's more or less like firefighting. Am I correct? Sometimes with the customer, sometimes with the guest, or sometimes with your peer, or sometimes with your manager. That we counter argue. So it's more or less like complexity, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a complexity. Like when it comes to the leadership, it's contrast. Leadership is contrast, right? It doesn't have this not like you're firefighting for everything. It's contrast. It comes from you. Everyone in this world has their own leadership skills. There was a thought sometime back, leadership it's a born talent, but it's not. Leadership is for everyone. Everyone can be leaders. Everyone can. It's very contrast. It's how you talk, how you get things done, how you speak to your guests, how you write to them, how you approach things. All it comes from you, right? The management, it's set of rules that you have to follow daily basis.
just to accomplish tasks. But the leadership, it's not set of rules. It's something that you are creating.
Sorry, we can hear you.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Leadership is something that that creates the contrast color and extravaganza of things what you're doing. So basically in simple terms, in layman terms, it says doing things in style provides the leadership. Doing things in style, right? For an example, if you do housekeeping, if you do a nice bed to a customer, and if you just put a nice flower on top of the bed, that gives you the contrast. So that shows the leadership. Yeah, that's a little bit, the bit of it, the little things, but you can multiply in different versions. Now, let's say in a family, if you serve a guest, if you serve with the passion, right? If you go with them and if you smile with them, that shows the leadership. That's what the customer is very much attached to you. Now, before I come into your session, I read one of my friends' Facebook post. It says he has stayed in a Sri Lankan hotel where his car, the lights were on, right? So some or other, he has made a reservation from different someone else's name, and he stayed in the hotel only the night you see these lights. So, but they couldn't find the way of contacting them. Then they had gone through the registration of, the registration of the revenue. Then they have found who the owner is. Then again, the owner's name and the reservation's name are not compliant together, two different names. Then they found then they have contacted the other guest some or other, then has told this message. But this is incredible. I mean, this shows the leadership. So that itself, the front office guys, they have gone through a little extra mile. That shows the leadership. That's contrasting. But complexity, okay. So as a management, you can always say, no, I don't want to go and look for those things. That's not your in the purview, right? That's not in your purview. You can always say the customers on the lights. So that's their call. But in our business, we can't do like that, because we have to provide our leadership at all time. At all time, we have to show our leadership, right? That's very, 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 very important. So that's the management versus leadership. And I want to take next point out of it, the task versus people. Task versus people, right? As managers, all of us are making this mistake, right? Making this mistake. You get people, then allocate task. It's not the case. As managers, we set the task, we get the task, then we'll get people. We'll get the right people out of it. Now, let's say a task. I have 7 categories of tasks. I'm not going to, it's not in the screen. You can take notes out of it. 7 categories of tasks. One is a special task, which being given by the board of management or board of governors or board of directors. You will be given a special task. For an example, if you're given a task of handling to launch an app, that's a special task. That's a special task. Then the second category, I would say, the elite tasks. Elite task. Our guests, they provide sometimes feedback to us. From those feedbacks, there are so much of learning points, right? There are so much of learning points in our the feedback forms or the feedback what we one you have the feedback forms, right? Of how
Yes.
to a TripAdvisor and things like that you have, right?
Yes.
Right. So those are that's the elite tasks, right? That is coming from the customer, because the guest is our lifeblood. Guest is our the king. We have to look after them like nothing. So if you don't have guests, we no point of talking about our business. So we have to provide leadership through guest requests and feedbacks as well. They might have their special requests, they might give feedbacks. All these things are coming to different tasks that we will call it elite tasks. Now, two tasks. Number one task is special task, which is coming from the management, other than what you are being given, other than your mandate, other than your day-to-day work. Other than your day-to-day work, that's special task. Now, this we are talking about elite task from the customers, right? So, next point is we are coming to our business development task, like sales and marketing, e-commerce, revenue, room reservations are kind of tasks that we looking into the business development to develop our business, to take the business to the next level, right? That's a business development task, right? Then we come to finance. That's the important role in the hotel. That's a real important role in the hotel. The finance, that's where all the information are coming. So then the financial tasks. So next element is people and culture. Now, human resources. Now, most of the organization, human resources, we call it now people and culture. So that's another task, right? That's another task, right? People and culture. So now I have said 4 tasks: special task, elite task, business development, financial task, people and culture, operations like food and beverage, kitchen, housekeeping, front office. That's more into operations, day to day, the operational task. Then we have our another element called sustainability, environmental management systems, then compliances, health and safety. Those are also the tasks. So see these tasks, take these tasks into one, get all these tasks, then allocate people, then select the right people out of it. I'm just giving you a bit of a glance out of it, right? Then you will understand what I'm trying to say, right? I'm just giving you the glance out of it. You can, when we are going, we can develop this. Am I correct? Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Right. Then we have the next component. What we are saying here is role of a manager. Right. Now we understood the leadership, we understood the management, understood what we have to do. Now, role of a manager is to comply these things, to make it happen, to make the organizations move. So as a manager, now you have a task of leading this. You can have it in a paper nicely, but it should not be the case. We need to drive it. We need to take it for results. As managers, our job is to see the end of the work, to complete the work, right? To complete the work. So that's why managers have been appointed. Otherwise, we should not be called as managers or head of departments. As head of departments or managers, our duty is to complete the task, to go for the completeness, right? We all have to go for the completeness, right? Then the fitting to leadership. Now we know the role of a manager now, the fitting to leadership. Now, here, your appearance, your communication, I would say A, B, C. A for your appearance, your behavior, that's for B. C for your communication. All what matters, your leadership, right? How you talk to a person, how you respect person, how you dress, and your character, your conduct, and everything, what matters here. So there is a saying, we always believe this: when you come to work, you are a manager, you are a leader, and you are above from others. When you are above from others, you have to always set an example to them, right? You can't just go to layman's level and you can't just show their capacity, right? In our context, we always say when we go in hotels, we never had times. We have times with our associates, but we never drink with them, or we try to maintain your status, try to be you as a leader, because they always look at you. When they look at you, you have to be a leader, right? You have to be a leader. When you climb up your ladder, you will be all alone. Sometimes when you get promoted from the normal category to the executive category or the managerial category, you have this dilemma: how do you fit into this? But you are being given a task, or you are being given a leadership role because you are special. You can do something better than them, right? In this link, I will only have nearly about 1 minute, but if you have questions, we can go for a questions before I go to the second link.
Don't have, sir.
Yeah, hello?
Yes, we don't have, sir.
No questions?
Yes, no questions.
No questions, yeah. Anyone else? Madam Finance, you have questions? Yeah, okay.
No question.
No question. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
okay, it's less than 1 minute now. We'll go to the second link. So where we'll see another elements or other elements of leaderships too. Yeah. Okay. So I'll stop from here and I'll go to the next one. Huh? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.